Madame, Monsieur, vous pourrez vous déplacer dès l'extinction de l'attente de faciliter nos vérifications en cas de turbulence. Soyez attentifs à la chute d'objets lors de l'ouverture des coffres à bagages et dans les toilettes.
Close then. 5 minutes. There it is. There's the gate. I can't believe I actually made that flight.
Short periods of light turbulence from time to time, which is, as you all know, perfectly normal.
I just got the Kenyan visa, touchdown in Africa for the first time. This is country number 14. Carrie. Hi. How are you? Good.
Hi, Eric. Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Welcome to Kenya.
Yeah, thank you.
Once we pay the parking fees, that's it.
Thank you for picking me up.
No,
Both are very nice people.
Now you feel more comfortable, like when you come struggle on your own.
Do you think the Chinese investment is good? How do you feel about it?
Here in Africa, we really don't have a choice. We need whoever comes here. whoever is gonna invest, we are open to it. But now the issue is they're gonna run this road for 25 years. Now by the time they are done with that road, it's old technology.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the issue. Actually, it is good. All the roads that they do here in Kenya, it is good. We cannot complain.
It's better than giving the contract to some Kenyan.
Yes.
The Chinese are also, they are very fast. Even in the buildings.
Yeah.
Yeah, within 2 years, 3 years, done.
Actually, where we are going to, majority of the buildings they are being done by the Chinese.
Oh.
Even where you're gonna sleep. So this is the Chinese project. It was opened last year. How many years now? 1 year, 1.5 years. It's our last exit now, the last one. No, it looks Chinese. During the day, you'll really say it's Chinese. You want to grab something?
We eventually found a quick snack which helped my body process the next malaria pill.
This is the place. I have chicken pie, I have tea, and they picked me up from the airport, drove me to the Airbnb. It's so nice. I'd like to say I'm well prepared when I travel, but today I made a pretty big mistake. I forgot my camera. Welcome to day one in Kenya, my first time in Africa, where I try to purchase a camera in downtown Nairobi. Anyways, where am I? I'm in a neighborhood called Kirishawa, which is a pretty upscale, nice place in Nairobi, according to my host. Let's rewind to over a year ago, where I stayed in a hostel for the very first time. I met this guy named Bani, and he told me he had family in Kenya. So here we are. Anyway, in a few minutes, Bonnie's sister is gonna come grab me so I don't wander the streets looking like a lost foreigner. Just waiting to be picked up by Bonnie's sister. It's pretty cool out in the morning. Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. He's at work.
Carrie volunteered to help me get a new camera, so we drove into the downtown core.
I don't see any traffic lights.
There's no traffic lights, but when the police is there, so this is what they do. So that means go and then stop. So then go and then stop. It's a shit. It's a madam. They'll give the county pass on driver house wherever 100 shillings, which is $1, and they take 200. Interesting. This is your number. No. When I come back is when I'll pay. Nikikuja na nalipa. Usijali, sio mimi wasikangi.
And we walked right into active civil unrest.
Yeah. Okay, take it from here. So this is the media station. So the lady works here. So she was shot on her leg during the demonstrations for the So what they're saying is that they shouldn't be reporting stuff.
Right.
Yeah, so that's why they're demonstrating. Because they feel like the government is kind of like putting them down, not to, report media to countries and not to show what is happening in Kenya. This is a very good journalist.
Yeah.
This is the National Police Headquarters.
We found refuge in the Railway Museum to get away from the noise, but we had a problem getting back since we walked pretty far to get here. That's where strangers on motorcycles come in handy.
We can go.
Good.
Go. Yeah.
We still have to find that camera, but got kind of distracted and threw in a couple more things to check out.
So we're here at the Giraffe Center. We got this food. Sugar cane straight from the source. So you eat it like that.
As usual, Carrie came in clutch and found the one camera shop that wouldn't rip us off, so we went over to pick up a new GoPro. We still had to negotiate, but it came out to roughly the retail price, which I call an accomplishment.
I feel like I'm about to be in some kind of meeting.
Right after I got this thing, we made it all the way home, but realized Carrie left her ID at the tower, so we had to turn around and get it. This time I wanted to throw some spice into the mix, so we looked for a bus to take instead of a motorcycle.
Not drinking.
If it doesn't stop, we'll take a boda boda and come with the man.
Well, still waiting. It's kind of intense. There's like a lot of people.
I asked Carrie what the deal was with the crazy looking buses.
So these are all things that people own themselves. They're trying to resell. It's like their own business.
Yes. People do whatever they want. Like, it's just a form of getting money. Queuing for the bus. Waiting for the bus.
Those were some really intense streets. Nairobi downtown is nuts. There's so many people packed into one little spot. There was some guy moving his shoes out of the way that he was selling because a bus would have run over his shoes. Like, there's no room.
We finally got Carrie's ID back. Boda boda is another name for a motorcyclist, so we tried to find one of those to get home.
Chwani, hapana. Pole pole. Pole pole means slowly.
And away we go. Oh, only 20 minutes? Yeah. Alright, we'll be there in no time. Alright, we're here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Santi?
Thank you too much.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. I'm going up to this restaurant right now to get a bite to eat. I'm hungry and exhausted.
There's nothing like relaxing after a busy day in Nairobi, but as I ate dinner, I couldn't stop thinking about the stupid rookie mistake I made. Now is as good as any time to talk about it.
What a wild day. So here's what happened. I was taking pictures as one does. Part of what I took a picture of was, I took a picture of the police station, okay? And lo and behold, there's about 4 or 5 police officers that come up to me and Carrie, and they start demanding to see my phone. And Carrie was kind of my get out of jail free card, because honestly, I don't know how I would have handled this. I probably would have just given them money, but Carrie said no. So after we get to talking to just one guy, she said to this police officer, oh, you know, this kid doesn't have any money. I can give you the money that I have, but it's only $3. So if you want all my money, take that. And he goes, oh, okay. So this cop goes and then takes Carrie's $3. And yeah, then that was that. Then we left and it was all good. I guess they're just like that. This is how it goes here. That's quite the experience. You know, the best part of this whole thing is that the police officer actually phoned us back. And then he said, thanks for that. If you have any problems in Kenya, let me know and I'll fix them. Another get out of jail free card.
Alright, I can tell the rest of the story. Carrie and I kind of get ambushed by 6 or 7 police officers, and both of us are kind of freaking out. One of the police officers asked for my phone, and I'm about to pull something out of my pocket. It wasn't going to be my phone, it was going to be like a few shillings. But Carrie said, no. I don't want to deal with 7 of you. Let me deal with 1. So we go inside, we're dealing with 1 guy. We go into this back room. He says, what country are you from? And I go, Canada. And he goes, oh, how long are you staying here? And I'm like, oh, this many days. And I don't know why any of this was relevant, but you know, I'm playing along, being respectful. The only thing that we ended up doing was giving the guy $3. After the $3 was in the guy's hand, everything was all good. I don't know about the other 6, but this one officer seemed pretty happy with what we did, and then we just walked out of the police station like nothing happened. Carrie is really the one that saved us here. What did I learn? I don't know. Try to be more discreet when you film.